Hey everybody, welcome to our April 2025 market update. I'm glad that you're here. Wanted to take the time to give you a little bit of information on our local real estate market. The theme of this month's report is volatility. We have tariffs, we have the stock market kind of going crazy, and just want to give you a little update on where we are with regards to our local real estate. So, first of all, the number of homes that sold and closed for the month of March was up to 648 from 449 at the end of February. So that is about a 40% increase. Pending sales for the month were up 21% for the month of March over February, with 691 as compared to 570 last month. And active listings were up 19%. So they're currently, for single-family homes, Santa Clara County at 1,159 versus 973 at the end of last month. And I'll tell you how this all ties together here in a minute. Average sales price for the county was about $2.3 million. That's staying on track with what it has been, and it is up from the end of the year last year. Our average days on market remains at about 15, and we have about a 2-month supply of homes, meaning if no more homes came on the market for sale, all of the inventory would be sucked up in about 2 months, and that still, anything below 6 months, considered a strong seller's market. So we're in a strong seller's market still. Mortgage rates, as of this morning, 6.75. And again, there are several banks and programs that we have that we can get the rates down lower, depending on your banking relationship with them. So those are things that we can talk about with you as well. So what does it all mean? What we've seen is the number of sales this year start out really strong. We had a strong upward moving market. We were seeing tons of multiple offers and prices going up. With the tariffs and some of the political volatility, the NASDAQ stock markets dropped almost 15%. It was about 20,000 points in the beginning of the year. It's dropped down to 17,000 or roughly somewhere around there. So what that's done is some buyers have pulled out of the market to wait for their stocks to go back up before they get back in. But we're still seeing, and you can see it from the numbers, we're still seeing a really strong Silicon Valley market. So in most cases, it hasn't been a really major adjustment. It's just, I would say it's a little bit less crazy than it was about a month ago. And as we all know, buying real estate, owning real estate, it's the long game. So these little ups and downs are going to happen. It's perfectly normal. We also know that it can change and go back and forth incredibly fast. So we're still really optimistic about the overall state of the real estate market. If you're looking to buy a home, it's a little easier today than it was about a month ago. And that could change again really, really rapidly. But it is a good time to buy. It's still a great time to sell. We only have just over 1,000 homes for sale total, which is incredibly low. So if you're thinking of selling, prices are still up. It's still a great time. As always, if you'd like to get an evaluation, understand what's going on in your specific market, contact me, and we're happy to provide you with an evaluation, go over all the details, and make sure that we make whatever decision is best for you. So thanks for watching our newsletter. We'll talk to you again at the end of the month and give you an update recap on the month of April. Thanks so much.